Hello class! So dito na tayo sa module 2 sa mathematics. So nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. So part 1 to guys, mamaya doon naman tayo sa next topic. May part 2 pa tayo. So dito sa nature of the roots of a quadratic equation, kailangan alam nyo kung paano kunin si discriminant. So ano ba si discriminant? Discriminant is the value of the expression b squared minus 4ac. So, kukunin nyo yung value ni b squared minus 4ac. Kung ano yung makuha nyo na value na yon, ang tawag doon ay discriminant. So, dito, pag sinolve nyo si b squared minus 4ac, ang sagot nyo, it can be 0, positive and perfect square, positive but not perfect square, and negative. So, yun yung apat na klase ng sagot or apat na klase ng discriminant. So, ano ba yung 0? Siyempre, 0. Pag ang nakuha yung sagot ay 0, yun, 0. Positive and perfect square. So, ano naman yung mga numbers na positive and perfect square? Positive numbers, tapos perfect square. So, pwede yang ay 1, diba? Perfect square yan. Ang square root ni 1 ay 1. Ano pa? 4. Perfect square siya kasi ang square root niya ay 2. Tapos positive pa siya. What else? 25. Yan. 100. And 144. 169. So, yan yung mga numbers na positive and perfect square, di ba? Kasi 25, square root niya ay 5, square root ni 100 ay 10, square root ni 144 ay 12, square root ni 169 ay 13. So, yan. Dito naman tayo sa mga positive but not perfect square. So, dito, basta positive siya, tapos hindi siya perfect square, ito yon. So, ano yung mga numbers na positive but not perfect square? Yan, mga 6, diba? Positive siya, pero wala siyang, hindi siya perfect square. 24, 80, 120. So, mga positive numbers siya, pero hindi siya perfect square. And then, last one, yan, negative. So, dito, basta negative, negative 1, negative 20, negative 1,729, negative 122, negative 64. So, basta negative number siya. Okay. So, dito na tayo guys sa roots of a quadratic equation. So, roots. So, meron tayong apat na klase ng roots. So, nakadepende yan dun kay discriminant. So, kung ang nakuha yung discriminant ay 0, your roots will be real numbers and equal. So, kung ang nakuha nyo ay 0. Then, kung ang nakuha nyo naman ay positive and perfect square, so, example, ang nakuha nyo ay 64. Positive 64. So, ang roots nyo ay rational numbers but not equal. Okay, basta positive and perfect square. Next, kung ang nakuha nyo naman ay positive but not perfect square, ang roots nyo ay irrational numbers and not equal. Irrational numbers and not equal. So, ano ba yung mga numbers na positive but not perfect square? 26, 56, okay? So, basta hindi siya perfect square. And then last one, kapag negative ang nakuha nyo na discriminant, your roots will be no real roots. So, basta negative. Example, negative 12, negative 64. Basta negative siya. No real roots. Okay? So, mag-example na tayo guys. So, example 1. So, find the nature of the roots of x squared minus 6x plus 9 equals 0. So, dito, gagamitin natin yung pinag-aralan natin ng module 1 kasi ang first step dito is to identify the values of A, B, and C. So what is our A? A is 1. Dito yon. B is negative 6. And C is positive 9. So after nyo makuha ang values ni A, B, C, step 2 will be substitute the values of A, B, and C in the expression B squared minus 4AC. So gagamitin nyo na yung B squared minus 4AC. So yan lang lagi yung gagamitin natin guys na formula, B squared minus 4AC. So let us substitute para makuha na natin yung discriminant. So B squared, what is our B? So that is negative 6. So negative 6 squared. So yan na yung ating B squared. Minus 4. A, what is our A? A is positive 1. And then C, so times C, that is 9. So from here, from this formula, dapat lahat ng letter or lahat ng variable is mapapalitan nyo from this. So let us simplify. So negative 6 squared. So negative 6 times negative 6 is positive 36 minus 4 times 1 times 9 is 36. And then simplify. 36 minus 36 is 0. So your discriminant is 0. So this is our discriminant. So this discriminant equals 0. So now kunin natin yung nature of fruits niya. So ngayon alam niyo na yung discriminants, di ba? Discriminant is 0. So dun sa kanina natin na diniscuss, kapag ang discriminant daw is 0, your roots will be real numbers and equal. So therefore, the roots are real numbers and equal. So yun guys. So dahil our discriminant is 0, the roots are real numbers and equal. Now let's have example number 2. So 2x squared plus 5x plus 2 equals 0. So find the nature of the roots. So again, get the values of A, B, and C. A is positive 2. B is 5x. C is 2. So ganun lang kadali kasi naka-standard form na yung ating quadratic equation eh. So madali na nating makita yung A, B, and C. And again, use the formula B squared minus 4AC. So let us substitute B squared. So this is 5 squared minus 4. A is 2. C is also 2. And then simplify. 5 squared. 5 times 5 is 25. Minus 4 times 2 times 2 is 16. So let us subtract. 25 minus 16 is 9. So our discriminant is 9. So what is the root? Ano bang klase ng number si 9? Positive siya, di ba? And also, perfect square din siya. So positive and perfect square. So eto siya guys, si 9, di ba? Dito siya pumapasok kay positive and perfect square. So, dapat, the roots are rational numbers but not equal. So, yun yung lalagay natin na roots. The roots are rational numbers but not equal. So, ganun lang kadali guys. So, let's have the third example. So, find the nature of the roots of 5x squared minus 4x minus 2 equals 0. Yan natin guys, naka-standard form na yung ating equation. So, A is 5, B is negative 4, and C is negative 2. Again, formula, b squared minus 4ac. So our b, negative 4 squared minus 4, a is 5, and c is negative 2. So ayan guys, na-substitute na natin yung a, b, and c. So sana nakakasunod kayong lahat. So negative 4 squared. Negative 4 times negative 4, positive 16. So this is negative 4, multiply natin tong tatlo. Negative 4 times 5 is negative 20. Negative 20 times negative 2, positive 40 na siya. Okay? So positive 16 plus positive 40 is, or 16 plus 40 is 56. So our discriminant is 56. And again, anong klase ng number si 56? Positive and perfect square ba siya? Hindi siya perfect square. So 56 is positive but not perfect square. So dito siya bumabagsak. Positive but not perfect square. So therefore, ang roots nyo is irrational numbers and not equal. So lagay natin yun. The roots are so since our discriminant is 56, the roots are irrational numbers and not equal. So, dito lang kayo magbe-base guys dun sa kaninang sa table natin. So, pagkabisado niyan, madali niyo na malalaman yung roots. Okay, let's have the last example. So, number 4, 6x squared plus 3x plus 2 equals 0. Again, naka-standard form na siya. So, A is 6, B is positive 3, and C is 2. So, formula. Hindi kayo mawawala guys basta sinusunod or kabisado nyo itong formula natin. And then, substitute B. Substitute 3. So, 3 squared minus 4. A, 6, C is 2. Simplify. 3 squared is 9. So, negative 4 times 6 is 24. And 24 times 2, negative 24 times 2 is negative 48. So, yun guys, yung sign class ay tignan natin mabuti. So, madalas dyan nagkakamali sa sign. So, 9 minus 48 is negative 39. The discriminant is negative 39. So, anong klase ba ng number si negative 39? Obviously, negative siya. Diba? Kasi may negative syempre. So, therefore, the roots are no real roots. So, lagay natin. There is no real roots. Kasi negative yung ating discriminant. There is no real roots. So, yan na lamang class para dito sa part 1 ng ating module 2. So, may part 2 tayo. Panoorin nyo yun.